We have a serious isolationist problem with our senior citizen population, and we could solve it single-handedly by pairing people together just by basic conversation. Because our younger generations have so much that can be learned from seniors, and they're witty and they're full of life, and their life is far from done. Far from done. I had people on hospice that were funnier and were maybe within 6 weeks of their life ending than I've met in people that are in their 20s. I'd rather hang out with the hospice resident than I would someone who was in my 20s because they're just full of life. And we're missing out big time on that. And so that's why I love senior living, because we think we have all these preconceived notions of what it is, and we don't do the industry justice.